Hello boys and girls, today we're going to review addition with regrouping. So let's review just how we add, especially when it's written this way, horizontally. Sideways is horizontally. So when it's written horizontally, it's not as easy to add, so I'm going to write it up and down vertically. So I'm going to put 32 here and 13 right below it. My 1 spot is all lined up and my 10 spots are all lined up. So now I can do my addition. 2 plus 3 gets me 5 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So 32 plus 13 is 45. Let's try it with this problem. We have 729 plus 36. In this case, I'm going to put my bigger number on top. 729 and then plus 36. I have to make sure my 10s and my 1 spot is all lined up here. So I'm going to write 36 and then add those two together. So my 1 spot's all lined up, my 10 spot, and I have nothing in my 100 spot down here, but I have my 7 up here. So now I'm going to add 9 plus 6 gets me 15. I put my 1 spot down here and my 1 up here. And then now I have 3 numbers here. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 gets me 3, plus another 3 gets me 6. And then I have 7 here. There's nothing in my 100 spot here, but 7 plus 0, basically there's an invisible 0 there, is just 7. So my answer is 765. Let's try that with this one. So it's written horizontally, side to side, so I need to write it vertically, up and down. So I get 463 plus 149. And then I'm going to add those together. My 1s, my 10s, and my 100s are all lined up, so I'm ready to go. So here I have 3 plus 9. Once again, I have to carry, so I have 3 plus 9 is 12. So I put my 2 down here, and then I carry my 1 up here. So now I add these 3 numbers together. 1 plus 6 plus 4. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 4 gets me 11. So I'm going to put my 1 in from my 1 spot there, and my 1 from my 10 spot up there. So I have 11. Well, now I've got these 3 numbers to add. 1 plus 4 plus 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus another one is 6. 612 is my answer there. Let's take a look at this one. Once again, always write it up and down. 987 plus 634. All lined up, 1s, 10s, 100s. 7 plus 4 gets me 11. So I've got my 1 down there and my 1 up here. So I have to add these 3 numbers. 1 plus 8 plus 3. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 3 is 12. Write my 2 down here and carry my 1. And then I have 1 plus 9 plus 6. So 1 plus 9, that makes 10. Plus 6 gets me 16. I don't have to carry my 1 because there isn't a 1,000 spot here, so I just put it down here in my answer with a comma. 1,621 is my answer. And let's try that one more time like this. So we get 846 plus 374. 6 plus 4 gets me 10. My 0 goes in my 1 spot, and my 1 gets carried to the 10s. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 7 is 12. And then I have to add 1 plus 8 is 9, plus a 3 is also 12. Once again, I just put it down here in my 1,000 spot. So my answer is 1,220. Okay, boys and girls, that's our review for addition, and there we go.